Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Insightly CRM for project linked sales follow-up step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type in www.insightly.com and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the Get Started for Free button. Click on that button to begin the sign-up process. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in the required fields with your email address and a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong password to protect your account. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and follow the link provided to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Insightly website. Log in using your email address and password. After logging in, you will be greeted by the Insightly dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. To download the mobile app, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Locate the Download the App section. You will see options for both iOS and Android devices. Click on the appropriate link for your operating system. For iOS, you will be redirected to the App Store. For Android, you will be directed to the Google Play Store. In the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Insightly CRM. Once you find the app, click the Download or Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the Insightly app. Log in using the same credentials you created earlier. Now you can start using Insightly CRM for project-linked sales follow-ups. Explore the various features that can help streamline your sales process. You are ready to organize your projects and follow up with clients effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.